Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Here's the RV. My martial arts cat Ninja and I have been full-time in the RV for over 2 years now. 99% of the time boondocking, dry camping. So, got quite the adventure today. I'm just leaving where I've been for 2 nights, the wonderful TA truck stop. It was beautiful. I had this spot over here, no one around me, couldn't hear a sound. And so that's why I decided to stay another night. And now, just finishing up dumping tanks, getting water, and we'll be on the road to Tucson. So I already dumped the tanks, flushed them out real good. Just topping off with potable water. Yes, I verified it is potable water, which most of them are. And then we're gonna get gas over here at the pumps. Even though, amazingly, I've watched the price go up 20 cents in 2 days. It went up 10 cents yesterday. And I watched the sign right there, post another, actually 12 cents from yesterday. It was $2.77 yesterday, $2.89 today. So we'll see. I may shop around for cheaper gas, but you know, they did put me up for 2 nights. So I'm gonna go shut off the water in a minute when it's full. Ninja's already under the driver's seat. And after we get gas, we'll be on the 1-hour trip to Tucson, which I'm totally going off a iOverlander, looking at this spot in the desert and hoping it's good. We'll find out together. I never understood growing up when I was much younger, of course. I-10 east and west. I'm like, but it goes north and south. Yeah, through Tucson, then it starts going east again, and after Tucson, up to Phoenix, and Phoenix is where it cuts west again. So, anyway, most people should be not on the freeway. They'll be on regular roads, and so we'll see. But it'll be a little after 5 when I'm going through here again today. That's what I get for driving so late in the day. Well, we finally hit rush hour traffic. Approaching downtown Tucson. Yes, there's a couple of buildings in the distance. Downtown Tucson. So here's our rush hour traffic. We're down to about 30 miles an hour. This is supposed to last for about 10 miles. Nothing compared to Phoenix, but Tucson is a much smaller town. So got about 12 miles to go to the exit, where we're going to get some propane and then look for that spot. Well, made it to get the propane. The old Pilot. Plenty of room there. Hopefully they got someone to pump it for me. So got the propane at Pilot. I did get a new drink of choice, kind of mellow. Some twisted tea. So really does kind of taste like tea. So I've had a couple. Ninja got to get out at our new campsite, which I'm going to show you and give you a full tour in the morning. And I'll get a full tour since I had to come in with a flashlight to even see where to park. It was pretty cool. When I pulled in, about 50 yards away from me, I could see a vehicle with a trailer or an RV. I couldn't tell, but it flashed its lights like, hey, we're here. I guess let me know that this is the spot. Or, hey, don't drive all the way out to us because we're here. But I'll find out in the morning. I don't think I'm going to have any knocks at night. It's off a somewhat well-traveled road and probably a couple miles from the I-10. There is a train that has come by. We'll see, but I can't wait to see with my own eyes and give you a tour of where we're at here in Tucson. Alrighty. There is, I think, the Pinal Air Park over there. Lovely mountains. That's looking north. Anyway, a little muddy area. A little close to those houses. There's a wash there and a nice biking path. And it is a little close to this street. So, might just go for a little walk over here. See if any of this checks out a little bit better. Just for the night that I'm meeting a friend for lunch tomorrow. And then off to head east. So, I think I'm going to stay in the spot. I met the gentleman there at the car walking around. Part of the Rainbow Hippies, he said. Gave me a bunch of info about here in New Mexico and stuff, and really nice guy. But I think anywhere I move is going to be just about the same. I mean, I could move right here, but it's so close. Why bother? Now that I met the guy, I know he's a nice guy and not going to come freaking out on me, hopefully in the middle of the night. Well, you've heard of breakfast in bed. This is going to be a tortilla chicken onion mustard wrap in bed with pepper jack cheese. So I got all the ingredients to throw on my plate. Well, I chill out. So thanks for joining me today on this exciting adventure, or 2 days. I'll be leaving to head to Wilcox, I believe, tomorrow afternoon after having lunch with an old friend. So stay tuned for the next one. From Ninja and I bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.